Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has just now come out with a statement allaying that the privacy concerns over the Arogya Setu app. In fact, a French hacker had claimed that a security issue has been found in this app and that privacy of over 90 million Indians are at stake. And Congress are also latched on to this claim. Now the government has come out and stated that there is no personal information of any user at risk. Let's go across to our political editor Aishwarya Kapoor, who's also joining us live from the newsroom. So Aishwarya, a big statement and a clarification coming in from the Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan himself, stating, and the government is in fact stating in clear words, that there is no personal information at risk of any user who is using this Arogya Setu app.
Absolutely, Richa. And then Harshvardhan is not the first minister. We had Ravi Shankar Prasad first, stating very clearly that no information is being leaked. It all began with Rahul Gandhi tweeting it out and saying that this app, which has been made to keep a control, keep a tab, keep a point of information for COVID, is a very sophisticated tracking app, to which we had the cabinet minister coming out and rebuffing the point and stating that this has been made by Indian scientists, by the NIC, and then certain private entities, and it is completely safe. And now you have the health minister once again reverberating that how important Arogya Setu app is. We had the government officials, we had the OSD onto the Arogya app coming out and stating and rebuffing point by point claim. It all began with one private entity who claims to be a French hacker, a computer hacker of French origin, claiming that there are certain bugs in this app through which personal information can be tracked, to which Rahul Gandhi piggybacked, and then we saw several attacks being made regarding Arogya Setu app, to which we have now several cabinet ministers coming out and vouching for the app, stating that there is no surveillance system which is attached to the app. Whatever claims are being made either by Rahul Gandhi or by any other private entity are false, and claiming that Arogya Setu app is made by Indian scientists, by the scientists of NIC,
right,
and then certain private entities. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for getting us that entire update. We'll keep coming back to you for more.
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.